Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 7 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enter recovery mode. In the beginning, let's wait until the pad boots up. And now reset the tab. Next, while resetting, press and hold power button and volume plus button. Release the buttons, and now your tab will enter the recovery mode. Via recovery mode, you can reboot your tab, wipe data, or connect with Mi Assistant. To navigate through it, use volume buttons. Select Reboot to go back to your tab. Confirm by pressing power button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.